Hi guys! The day after Christmas! How was your very first Christmas? Did you have fun? Yeah? You guys holding hands? Yeah? You got your feet there, are you? I know. You happy, Dylan? Yeah. What's up? Talk to me. Tell me what's going on. Don't get camera shy. You guys are camera shy, huh? Come on, show off. Show me what you got. Alright, bye-bye.